So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with another wig from LUVME Hair. So today I'll be reviewing this cute short curly wig that you guys see me rocking right now, okay? I'm gonna give you guys all the details because this one is once again a glueless wig, okay? So if you guys are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now, of course, you guys know that I do have a code for you to use at checkout to save you some coins. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig along with my code. Check the pinned comment, and of course, towards the end of this video, I will have the code right here on the screen for you guys. So if you are interested in hearing all about this cute curly wig from LUVME Hair, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band. Now you guys can see that this wig is a side part wig and it did have lace right here, but of course I did cut it off for this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from LUVME Hair. This is their trendy short cut curly minimalist undetectable lace wig. The length that I have is 8 inches and it retails for $119.90. Of course, if you don't want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay or Zip, which will divide the payments into 4 payments of $29.98. Now, product details: it's pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots, significant parting area, and affordable HD lace. So it's traceless, super transparent lace that makes a flawless melt, effortless, giving scalp as if it grew directly out of the head, and glueless, can be a protected style with glueless install. So it's 100% virgin hair from one donor, lasts up to a year. The density is 150%. Hair color is natural black. It can be dyed. Does have an adjustable strap. It says 4 combs inside, but I only saw 3. It's 22.5 inches standard medium circumference. The lace is 6 by 4 by 1.25 inches minimal lace, and the parting is a left C part. All right, so once again, this wig is glueless. I can't say that enough. It is glueless. I did show you guys in a previous clip, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one more time how glueless it is. So I have my comb right here, and I am just gonna stick it right here. And y'all see that? Glueless, okay? Very, very glueless. Now, as you guys saw earlier, I did use some mousse. I used my Rucker Roots GTC Texture Styling Mousse. That's all you need is some mousse. You don't need to add any water. Just add some mousse to this wig and you got yourself a cute curly number, okay? She is super, super cute. She is soft. I'm loving the texture. The length is not bad either, okay? 8 inches, real short. I like that it's a side part. And yeah, I wasn't able to fluff this part out. I tried brushing it out a little bit, but it's kind of just flat. But it's, you know, it's not too bad. It's still very workable. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys the all around. So this is how the wig looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So really, really cute and beginner friendly, okay? I'm all for beginner friendly wigs. So this definitely is a beginner friendly wig. And the simple fact that it's glueless, you know, very simple for beginners. But she is cute, really, really, really cute, nice and soft and everything. So I want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, how does it look on me, would you rock this wig, all of that good stuff. Now of course I do have a code for you guys to use to save you 23%, okay? So my code is my name, which is Lindsay, capital L, lowercase INDSAY. So make sure you guys put that in the little promo code, discount code section at checkout to save you some monies. But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.